Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Friday, October 3, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. A bit tired from yesterday's meeting. You?
I'm okay. Busy week, right? This coffee helps a lot.
Yes, it does. I need it to start the day. Did you see any news this week?
Yeah, some interesting stuff, like that judge's ruling on international students.
Oh, yes. I read about it in the Washington Post. A judge said the Trump administration broke the law.
That's right. They targeted students for their pro-Palestinian views. It's a big deal.
It is. The ruling protects free speech for those students. As a project manager, I think about our teams.
Me too. In sales, we work with people from all over. International talent helps us grow.
Exactly. If rules change, it might be hard to hire good people. Our projects could slow down.
Yeah. Imagine no fresh ideas from abroad. Sales numbers might drop. What do you think about it?
I think it's unfair to target students like that. They come here to learn and work.
True. It affects businesses too. We need diverse teams to compete.
Right. Companies like ours rely on global hires. This ruling is a win for fairness.
For sure. But it makes me worry about future policies. Anyway, enough on that.
Okay, what about the technology news? I saw something on AI.
Yes, from the New York Times. There's a big debate on AI privacy with OpenAI.
Tell me more. What did the article say?
OpenAI released a new model, but experts say it invades user privacy too much.
That's concerning. They collect data from chats and use it to train the AI.
Exactly. People worry about personal info getting out. In our office, we use AI tools.
Yes, for project planning. As manager, I have to ensure it's safe for the team.
In sales, we use it for customer leads. If privacy is an issue, clients might leave.
Good point. We need better rules for AI companies. It could change how we work.
More training sessions on data safety. I don't look forward to that.
Maybe, but it's necessary. Think about your emails and calls, all that data.
You're right. It makes you think twice before using it. What's your take?
I think privacy should come first. Tech moves fast, but laws lag behind.
True, our IT team might get busier. Anyway, interesting topic.
It is. Now, did you hear about the entertainment news?
Oh yeah, the Hollywood strike over streaming pay from USA Today.
Yes. Actors and writers are protesting low pay from platforms like Netflix.
It's heated. They say streaming brings in billions, but pay stays the same.
Right. The article mentioned demands for better residuals from views.
Makes sense. Old TV deals paid well for reruns. Streaming is different now.
It affects society too. Entertainment shapes our culture. Office breaks, often talk shows.
Our team loves binge watching. If strikes last, no new content.
That would be tough. It shows how jobs evolve. Pay should match the value.
Yeah, like in our field. Sales reps work hard for commissions.
As project manager, I see similar issues. Effort versus reward.
Exactly. This strike might push for changes in Hollywood, good for workers.
I hope so. It inspires talks about fair pay everywhere.
True. Makes the morning chat more fun, relates to real life.
Yes. Keeps us informed before the workday starts.
For sure. How's your schedule today?
Busy, 2 meetings and project updates. Yours?
Client calls all morning. Need this coffee to focus.
Me too. Let's grab refills.
Good idea. Talk more tomorrow?
Sure. See you later, David.
Bye, Alex. Have a good day.
You too.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.